In this video, we'll talk about how you can add searching features to the basic grid component that we built in the previous video. So we'll go back to the design pane here. We'll go to the component type. We'll turn on the search part, and you can see now a new section shows up here. And we'll go and choose the fields that we'd like to appear in our search part. So we can go there and we'll choose city and state, and let's also put in last name and first name, and move those up and save it and go ahead now and do a live preview. And so you can see now that if I go here and say sort by Massachusetts and then click search, we're only seeing the records for Massachusetts. We support query by form syntax, so I can go here and type in Massachusetts, California, New York, and now we basically are finding all records in Massachusetts, California, and New York. Or you can type in range searches. So let's go ahead here and clear and go here and type in, say, a D, which is all last names in the range of A through D. So you can see now there are last names that are in the range A through D. There are 11 records found. Or I can type in, say, a comma and then type M.N, and that's going to be basically all records in the range of A through D or in the range of M through N. So let's go ahead now and do clear. And now let's go and change the control type for state region from a type-in box to an edit combo, to a drop-down box, for example. So let's go here to state region and change its control type to a drop-down box, and we'll go there and set the choices. We want the choices to be populated dynamically from the customer table, and we want to display data from the state field over there. And then let's go ahead and run it. So you can see now there's state region, so I go there and choose California, and there's records from California. We can now go and turn this drop down into a multi-select drop down. So let's go here to this drop down and set the height to, say, 5 over there, and allow multiple selections. So go ahead now and do live preview. So you can see there's our drop down over there, and if I go and multi-select Arizona, California, and Connecticut, there you can see we have selected Arizona, California, and Connecticut on the last page over there. So let's go back now and look at some other options on the search. So we'll go now to search properties, and let's turn this now into what's called a keyword search field. So a keyword search provides one search entry over here, and when you type in a value, it's going to search all of the fields in the search part. So if I go there and type in, say, GR and click search, you can see it finds Graham over there because there's GR in the last name field, but it also found Groveland because that was the value in the city-state field. So the keyword search lets you basically create powerful searches that search across multiple fields. So now let's go and add in a quick search feature. So we'll go now and we'll go to quick search, and we'll specify that the field that we'd like to search in is, say, the last name field. So go ahead now and do a live preview. So you can see there's our quick search. So we can go here and type in Smith and press search, and now we've found all the values in search. So we're going to pause right now and pick it up in the next video.